Libertarianism often gets stereotyped as a bunch of free-spirited folks who just want to smoke weed, avoid taxes, and maybe live in a society run by robots. But there's more to this ideology than meets the eye. So, grab your metaphorical invisible hand and let's delve into the world of individual liberty. Oh, I almost forgot. Welcome to Political Doctrines Explained podcast. At its core, libertarianism emphasizes individual liberty, the freedom to make your own choices, pursue your own happiness, and keep what you earn. Libertarians believe in minimal government intervention in all aspects of life, from the economy to social issues. Libertarians generally advocate for limited government, a smaller, less intrusive government with a focus on core functions like national defense and basic infrastructure, individual rights, strong protections for individual liberties like freedom of speech, religion, and association. Free markets, minimal government regulation in the economy, allowing businesses and individuals to operate with as little interference as possible. Think Adam Smith's invisible hand guiding the market. Libertarian ideas have roots in classical liberalism and the works of philosophers like John Locke. In the 20th century, economists like Ludwig von Mises and thinkers like Ayn Rand, yes, the one who wrote about objectivism and selfishness, helped shape modern libertarianism. Today, libertarianism continues to influence political movements and debates around the world. Like most ideologies, libertarianism has different branches such as minarchism, anarchism, capitalism, and paleo-libertarianism. Minarchism favors a very small, night watchman state with minimal functions. Anarchist capitalists believe in the complete abolition of government, with private institutions handling everything from security to dispute resolution. Finally, a figure of speech. Paleo-libertarianism combines libertarian economic principles with social conservatism. Libertarianism often finds itself in friendly competition or outright conflict with other ideologies such as liberalism, conservatism, socialism, and communism. With liberalism, libertarianism shares a commitment to individual liberty, but liberals tend to be more open to some government intervention in social welfare programs. Conservatives and libertarians often agree on limited government, but libertarians generally oppose government restrictions on personal choices. Socialism and communism are on the opposite end of the spectrum compared with libertarianism, as these two ideologies advocate for a larger role for government in redistributing wealth and regulating the economy. Libertarianism offers a unique perspective on the role of government and individual freedom. However, critics argue that an entirely unregulated market system can lead to inequality and social problems. Libertarianism is a complex ideology that champions individual liberty and minimal government intervention. While its vision of a near-stateless society might seem radical, its core principles continue to spark debate and influence political thought. So, next time you hear libertarian, remember, it's not just about avoiding taxes, it's about a fundamental belief in individual freedom and limited government. I hope you liked this explanation of an ever-present political ideology. Please leave your thoughts in the comment sections and subscribe to get access to more interesting content.